Gold FX Trader here. How's everybody doing? All y'all that tuned in are real ones, cause I've been out but a minute, like no cap. It's been a while. Whew. But within that time, oh man, there was some major breakthroughs that I'm just can't wait to share with you guys. It's gonna be coming glimpses and it's gonna come in waves. So if this video doesn't turn out to where it be, just come back. I guarantee you we're gonna be pulling out more content and whatnot. I know I keep promising, but I believe in saying that you'll do it, and it'll come to fruition. So, all right, we got gold here. What's happening? It's the elections that's coming up. So let's look at what we got here. We've already cleared the chart out for ourselves. We're looking at the daily here in TradingView. If you guys have not jumped on TradingView yet, I don't know what y'all been doing. MetaTrader 4 ain't gonna give you no type of feel compared to TradingView. So please, take a look at TradingView if you haven't did already. I'm sure with all the videos out there on YouTube, you probably already have. So I know everybody's talking about this squeeze here. There's a lot of stuff talking about a squeeze. There's speculation that if Trump wins, we're gonna ride up to retest the 2,000 mark. Try to go fast, not make this video too long for you guys who are here. Others are saying that right now we're at a squeeze right here. We're at the tip of the triangle to break out. So we're looking for price to break out. A lot of people are looking for price to break out here, and then come back down and retest here, and then shoot up to retest that level. Oops, let's delete that. Otherwise, we're gonna keep trying to retest these levels down here, and then we look left, just draw some lines, keep it simple, kind of where we're anticipating. So today I've already anticipated that it's gonna go to a buy to retest the top of this level here. Again, we're looking at daily. I typically am a day trader, so I take plenty of trades. So we're just going to a lower time frame to see how price is looking. Okay, we're gonna pull back down now, but I anticipate price to continue back up. I know currently I'm in a sell trade right now. Took it down because they rallied about 70 pips today. If we measure from here to there, 80 pips rallied today from the open. I think that we're going to pull back. How long are we going to pull back? Probably not too long before we have a continuation. It did click close to the 38.2. Yeah, just so let's go. Okay, see price there. That's the 15-minute. That's what price is doing. So we're pulling back up a little bit here. Trying to see. I think for me over here, I'm gonna. If it breaks above this wick here, then I'm gonna look for buy opportunities to retest the highs of this here. The 15-minute, looking at the here, we do see that price is consolidating a lot. Just be wary of the time zones you're trading in. Right now, we're currently in the Asian session. Asian session is gonna close with pretty soon here, and then we're gonna have London, and then we're gonna have New York. And within London close and New York open, that's when the true volatility comes. And if you look, candle like here, candle like here, candle like there. Alright, so let's continue this here. Let's see. So with that being said, I'm going to show you exactly how I think that price is going to set up today. Do not take this trade. I do plan on posting this after I save this video. I do plan to upload it today, 10/26. Do have some news here from London for New York session, so you gotta watch out for those. I think one of those are red news. Let's go to Forex Factory news. and nah, we'll look at something else. But for the time being, yeah, I'm gonna get out of this trade here. There we go. Then I can just kind of focus on what I got there. I do believe that we are gonna keep climbing for gold. Maybe we can really get that huge momentum here. Let's just give ourselves a chance, you know. Let's put our stop there. And here. Okay. Okay, we're gonna have to cut. So cut, and then we'll start here. Alright, so looking at this here, we see, I see off the top, you know, a low here, 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 going up. So in my head, I'm thinking price is showing me that we are respecting these low for 1, 2, 3, 4 days, right? So obviously we broke up, retest this level, broke up, we pull back, but I'm gonna go ahead on my other screen, which you guys cannot see. When that time comes, I'll share, but time being, I'm gonna take a buy trade right now. Let's see. Risk. How confident am I? Not that confident. So we're gonna do half the size. So let's wait. Let's actually wait to see what price does here. Like, I really want to see what price does at this point, because I really want to see it retest this level there, at least on the 15-minute, and I want to see what it does with this candle. If it breaks above that candle, I'm saying we're gonna break above that, and we're gonna really retest this level here. I really do think that we're gonna retest 1913, and if you go on a daily, 1913 is that tip of that candle here, and this is currently where we're at right now, where we're sitting. Let's go ahead and delete the candles I have for that. Obviously the idea is they try to get to 2.7. Here. Side note, I've also been trading Bitcoin, so I'll be sharing that information, because I am a believer for 20k. Alright, talking fast, you need to slow down, catch up. Alright, so it is doing exactly what I was kind of afraid it would do. Yeah, so we'll have to see what price does if it closes below this here, because if it does, then we're going to be going down for a while. Because gold, what it does is it's quite at an exhaustion, so it's going to pull back a little bit for the rest of London, and London may push it all the way back down to the open of the candle. If you were looking at daily, you're right back to the bottom of this tip right here. So we'll see what price does. For the time being, we'll watch it here, but my prediction really is for price to retrace back down to here. So we're saying price comes down to here, and then we're going to get a retest up to here. So if you took a trade now, how it will look like is a long position, and take it at your own discretion when it comes to this here. So I would take it a buy. I would take it at, oh yeah, let's give it a little bit. So we say here, right? So whenever price can get to this level, we're saying that we're gonna buy it back up to here as the first take profit, and then the second take profit will be here. But our stop loss will be just about there, and it's finding a strong support right now. We'll see what price does here at this level, and that's kind of the setup for gold right now. Let's squeeze it. There you go. So we're looking at price to retest 1900, and then we're believing that it's gonna bounce back to retest. I think 19.1. Yeah, 1910. So that is a total of how many pips once it gets there. So here it's there. Total of 40 pips. 40 pips. Stop loss is about 40, probably a little bit, 42, 43 pips. So I should have probably held my sell trade there for gold because I initially had a sell trade from the tip here already. Got kind of iffy about that, so I pulled out. But soon, no worries there. Yeah, so that being said, watch out for the news that's coming in there. But again, we're just simplifying things here. We see price action going up. We see on a daily, on the weekly, we're moving up. Again, the key levels you want to look left is looking at the higher time frames, what's going on. If you look at those, that's clearly signifying to you that we are gonna go back up for a retest up here. And everything you see here, you see all the things I highlighted was the end of the candles, the sticks, the wicks here, and you go to the 15-minute time frame. You already have a feeling of, yeah, price may give me a look, you know, like this. It's gonna pull back, so you gotta watch out for gold. Gold definitely does a lot of wicking a lot. It's gonna show you some heavy retracement, sell trade, and then by the end of the candle close, we're back up to here already. So have fun with gold, tread lightly, really manage your trade sizes. And by the way, yes, I am a funded FTMO trader. When I feel comfortable, I can share that with you, but for the time being, and I guarantee you, and I can guarantee you that the primary pair that's making me a lot of dough is gold. So that being said, tread lightly when trading this pair, and if you respect it, it will respect you. But if you don't, you'll be annihilated. No joke, no cap. Alright, thanks, deuces. We'll see you when I'll be back, but hopefully I throw these out a little bit more for you guys to just kind of, you know, if you have time, just go ahead and look through this, and we'll go from there. Deuces.